Guys, today I want to show you how to create stickers in Canva. So first, let's open Canva and hit the plus create button. On top left sidebar, click on plus create, custom size. Let's put 8.511 inches. Create new design. Now head over to the elements and type in cartoon, for example. And here you have these cartoon enemies, this one, maybe this one. So you get the idea, guys. If you want, you can change the background color of the design. You can add, we can select this image and edit it. Click on Edit. You can select the background remover. We can also add shadows, for example. Let's add a shadow here and do outline and add a white shadow, for example. So, this is pretty much it. Guys, if you add a yellow shadow, you can do the same here to make the sticker more visible. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.